Well, hello there, fabulous people. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. We've taken a little break, but we're back. So welcome back. Today, I'm showing you how to make a quick and simple Sunday breakfast. This is going to be a very simple frittata breakfast. So if you're ready, let's get started. To begin, I'm using one large potato. I'm going to simply slice these very thinly, as thin as you can. Once that's all ready, I'm adding olive oil to my pan. Allow it to heat up nicely. Then I'm going to add that sliced potato round onto my pan. I'm going to allow these to fry for about 2 minutes and simply flip to the other side, just like this. Now, whilst that's frying, I'm going to simply slice up an onion, which I'm going to add onto the fried potato, just like this. Once that's all done, I'm going to add the onion onto the fried potato. Now we need one very large fresh tomato. I'm going to simply slice this up as well. And I'm going to add this onto the onion and potato. I'm adding some salt and ground black pepper. I'm going to simply stir this and allow it to fry for a few minutes. Now I'm adding some Italian herbs. Italian herbs is a combination of basil, oregano, rosemary, thyme, and mint leaves. It is simply perfect for this sort of frittata and will really elevates the taste and flavor of the overall dish. So, whilst this is frying, I'm going to crack up about 6 eggs. The 6 eggs is enough to feed a family of 4, which is exactly what I need. Now I'm adding some salt and freshly ground black pepper. I'm going to simply whisk these together, just like this. And I'm going to simply pour these into the pan along with the other stir-fried ingredients, just like this. Now what I'm going to do now is simply lift very carefully. You want the egg mixture to be nicely combined. You don't want to mix it, you just want to lift it very gently so the eggs can go down to the bottom as well and be nicely even across. So I've left this on the stove for just about 30 to 40 seconds, and I'm just doing this to separate it from the pan slightly. Now what I'm going to do is simply place these straight onto my grill for about 4 to 5 minutes. I just want it to nicely brown the top, just like this. Now between 4 to 5 minutes time on low heat on the grill, your frittata should be nicely golden and perfectly ready. Like I said earlier, this is enough to serve a family of 4. So I'm going to simply divide this into 4 equal portions, and we're going to be serving it for breakfast this morning. This will go very nicely with any kind of very soft bread and a cup of tea or coffee if that's what you prefer. Thank you very much for watching along and cooking along with us this morning. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and if it's your first time visiting our channel, welcome to Megshaw's Kitchen. Please do subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you again next week. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.